In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2674, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the one who guides others to something good will receive the same reward as those who act on their advice. And those who guide others to sins will be held accountable as if they committed the sins. It is important for Muslims to be careful when advising and guiding others. A Muslim should only advise others in matters of good so that they gain reward from it and avoid advising others to disobey Allah, the Exalted. A person will not escape punishment on Judgment Day by simply claiming they were only inviting others towards sins even if they did not commit the sins themselves. Allah, the Exalted, will hold both the guide and the follower accountable for their actions. Muslims should therefore only advise others to do the things they would do themselves. If they dislike an action being recorded in their book of deeds, they should not advise others to perform that action. Because of this Islamic principle, Muslims should ensure they gain the adequate knowledge before advising others, as they can easily multiply their own sins if they incorrectly advise others. In addition, this principle is an extremely easy way for Muslims to gain reward for actions they cannot perform themselves due to a lack of means, such as wealth. For example, a person who is not financially able to donate charity can encourage others to do so, and this will result in them gaining the same reward as the one who gave charity. In addition, this Islamic principle is an excellent way to ensure the growth of one's good deeds even after they die. The more one guides others to what is pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, the more their good deeds will increase. This is the legacy Muslim must concern themselves with, as all other legacies, such as property empires, will come and go, and they will not benefit them after they die. If anything, they will be held accountable for earning and hoarding their empire while their inheritors enjoy the empire the deceased left behind.